Alright gang, welcome back to my non-existent YouTube channel. I'm here, none other than himself, Clement Milton Smitzenbeggers.
Hey guys.
Today we're going to be installing some new flooring, some LVP. This is what he decided to go with. I think it's absolutely lovely. Very high quality stuff, very thick. Let us know what you think. I think it's going to go really well and flow really well with the colors he decided to go with. Around here, and we'll kind of show you. You can kind of see the wall. What is that? What is that called again, Clem?
Breathe.
It's like a light little green. This was Nordic oak. We should be able to finish before the end of the day. Actually, the bet was, or the over-under is 3.5 hours. I'm always gonna bet on myself. It's always gonna be under. I'm super optimistic. I'm super wrong most of the time. But I'm very confident about this project. Over-under.
I'm taking the over, but no rush.
Lord.
There's no rush.
No confidence.
Prove me wrong.
All right. Formula Juan Engage. Let's give you a quick tour, let you see what we're working with. We're not actually doing that much. We're gonna be doing around 350 square footage of basically the kitchen area flowing into the living area and then just into the entry hallway here where it leads up to the bathrooms and into the bedrooms. Main area over here shouldn't be too much of an issue. This stuff is gonna get a little tricky just because there's gonna be a lot more cuts. Hey, that's why I get paid the big bucks, right? I'll figure it out. And around the trim pieces, right? So we decided to spare taking up the old trim and putting new trim on after the flooring, just because of the fact that we're gonna be laying over this old tile. As you can see, we got the vapor barrier that we're gonna be laying down, underlayment for the LVP. We're also gonna be using a thinner version of some quarter round. I forgot exactly what it's called. That'll basically cover the edges and the gaps that we need to leave for the expansion on these things. Also gonna be laying underneath the dishwasher, underneath the stove, and the fridge as well. So we'll just pop that stuff out and get to it whenever we get there. Like I said, absolutely love this color. Shout out to Mama Dukes.
Shout out to Mom.
She to go for that one. Clem picked this one out. Absolutely love it just because it's not blue.
Not blue.
It's not blue. He's
making improvements.
Yeah. He did that on the exterior doors. I love it. I think it's super fun. I think once this flooring goes in, it's gonna look great. So stay tuned. Up later.
Tough guy shit. Blood, sweat, and tears, baby.
Yeah,
Hot dog break. Hot dog break.
taking a break at 2 hours and 15 minutes. Got an hour and 45. We took a little glizzy break there. My stomach kind of hurts now. I ate way too fast. We paused the clock. We were at an hour and 45. So we're not accounting for our little lunch break there, okay? So it is now 6:57. We'll just call it a smooth 7. I'll start in a couple minutes. We got 2 hours and 15 minutes left for the under to cash in. I'm trying to get paid. Harrison took the under. He's starting to lose it. Hard Rock account, zeros for both of us. Disclaimer, flip those numbers around. We might only have an hour and 45 left. We hit the over. Hate to say it. Clem was playing for the other team. We hit the over.
1 hours for the thing to lay down.
I'm
slow balling.
okay?
Slow rolling. But we finished. It's pretty late, but as soon as it hit the 4 hour time frame, I lost motivation. So I started moving slow. Let's check it out.
it.